7.9 million lang for this 4-bedroom modern move-in ready home na few minutes away lang nasa Evia, Alabang, Taguig, Makati at airport ka na. Low cash out to move in, complete finish including front fence and gate. Kaya naman don't skip this video dahil sure ako eto na ang unit na matagal mo nang hinahanap para sa'yo at sa pamilya mo. Hi, it's me again, Kiara Pepito Sabido for another premium home tour. And this is our current model here in Town and Country West, Molino 3, Bacoor, Cavite. Location-wise, definitely flood-free at fault-line-free ka. Indeed, prime location kasi few minutes away nasa SM Molino ka na, Evia, Perpetual Bacoor Campus, Statefield, Vista Mall, hospitals, wet market at madami pang iba. Kung enough space ang hanap mo para sa isang property, ito na talaga ang unit na magugustuhan mo. Ang ganda ng pagkaka-layout ng bahay at what you see in this house tour video is the actual turnover already. Kaya naman talagang literal, nagamit mo na lang at ikaw at ang pamilya mo ang kulang mo dito. Wala ka na nga masyadong ipapagawa at talagang furnitures and fixtures na lang ang idadagdag mo. May floor area ka na nga na 115 square meters with a lot area of 75 square meters and best part nga dito, may kwarto to sa ground floor. At ang dami ko ngang client na isa talaga yan sa pinaka-requirements nila. Of course, may kasamang service kitchen o di kaya can be used as your laundry area. Sa nga sa pinaka-nagustuhan ko dito is the quality of finishing ng ating developer and ang taas ng ating floor to ceiling height. Sa ground floor din pala, may kasama ka ng powder room and isa pa sa nagustuhan ko, may kasama na rin tong CCTV package na naka-install na upon turnover. Upon reaching the second floor, meron kang 3 spacious bedroom and each room nga may kasama na ring built-in cabinet. At alam mo ba na ang daming nagugulat kapag nalalaman nila na 7.9 million pesos lang to? Kasi naman, napakasulit talaga ng kasama sa package. Sa second floor, you have 2 toilet and bath, 1 in the master's bedroom, and of course, sa master's bedroom, meron ka na ring walk-in closet. May provision for a carport, and of course, meron ka na ring balcony na ang access ay nasa master's bedroom. Meron tayong 1 RFO unit and the rest are pre-selling. If you're in rush to move in, 10% lang required down payment. It can be maximum of 3 months installment. And once approved ka na ng bangko, pwede ka nang makalipat. At kung hindi ka naman nagmamadali, we have the pre-selling units with 12 months DP term, kaya naman napakagaan lang ng monthly. Sa bangko, estimated monthly amortization ay nasa 44 to 50,000 a month. Down payment is around 62,000 a month naman at 0% interest pa yan. And 50,000 na ang kailangan for you to secure a unit. Konti lang ang units na available, kaya wag ka na magpahuli if nagustuhan mo na si Karen Model. So paano? Connect with our team now for further details and to book your free and exclusive house viewing. See you soon at paalam!